Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Sign into one Google account on the Google Home app before linking apps. Open the Play Store or App Store to update the Google Home app to the latest version. Ensure your phone and home device share the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network and are on the same subnet. Turn on Bluetooth temporarily to speed discovery if prompted. Prepare any third-party app credentials and enable two-factor authentication if required. Allow about 5 minutes for updates, sign-ins, and permission prompts during setup. Tap the plus icon in the Google Home app, then choose Setup Device to begin linking an app. Select Works with Google and search for the third-party service by name. Tap the service and follow the on-screen sign-in flow to link your account securely. Grant the requested permissions for location, media, and device control so the app works properly. When offered, enable voice match to personalize responses and link your voice profile. Confirm linked devices and assign them to the correct room for organizing. If an app fails to respond after linking, unlink and then relink the service to refresh credentials. Clear the Google Home app cache or reinstall the app if you see persistent sync errors. Confirm your phone and home device still use the same Google account for control and automation. Update the speaker or display firmware from the device settings to ensure compatibility with the linked app. As a last resort, perform a factory reset on the home device and re-add it following the same steps. Test by asking a simple command to verify successful integration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.